It's been a while since the van has had nothing really on it. Just the crossbars on it right now because we recently went camping. There was a huge gust of wind and I didn't have the awning tied down. Usually I will put a rock or something with some rope. At least I used to. I got too comfortable and a gust of wind came, freaking blew the awning over, twisted everything. Basically it broke. I took some time to wash the roof of the van because I never get to wash the roof, so scrubbed it really good. I ended up just washing the car, washing the roof rack because I'm gonna repaint that black because it's starting to rust. I'm gonna modify it to put my track pads on there, like a little situation to hold them. And I got a new awning through Prime Day. Got the timberridge. It looks cool. Less of a crazy ass big ass logo. The old one used to say Samut. There's the old one. I ended up putting what's it called, that rubber spray paint on there to cover up, but this thing said Samut from here to here, like 18-20 inches of a logo. So this one has a very minimal logo, which is cool. Oh, it says something over here too. Sunroof. Okay, so this is the new awning. I'm gonna put it up. It actually looks less bulky, which is good. So maybe it'll increase my gas mileage because this thing plus that thing plus the new tires plus the little baby crossbars really took it down a lot as far as MPGs. I think it was getting 29 miles to the gallon when I first bought the car and it didn't have anything on there. Now with all the roof mods and the new tires, I average about 22. Especially when there's like a full load of stuff on the roof. When all this stuff is on there, it's about 22 miles to the gallon. But you know what? It's completely worth it because there's nothing like shade when it's hot, and there's nothing like bringing all your shit where you need it. So next clip, I already have an installation video, so if you want to look at the installation video, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. But next clip, the van completely brand new. All right, guys, we got it all installed. Timberridge sunroof. I think the name on the actual box was Timberridge, but yeah, this is installed. It seems like a higher quality, like I probably mentioned earlier, and it's already nicked. Shit. That's okay. It's gonna happen anyways. It's like slimmer than the old one I had, which is cool. Because of this project, like I mentioned, I got this whole thing repainted. I took the little covers off of it except for that one, because that one's welded on. Just didn't really like that star logo. So I took the covers that were blocking the bolts. Just really don't think it matters anymore. Repainted it with satin. I added a loop right here because when I have a lot of stuff, I have a net over everything, and there's nowhere. The net has carabiners to kind of tie to these, but there's nothing in the front to tie it to. So I put that loop on there on the back side to carabiner to. It's had some little T-bolts, which was kind of a good addition. So it's looking like a little bit better, sleeker up here. But then I also added the track pads. I bolted the track pads up there, which, you know, I don't know. I liked how they look like on this side, but I think aerodynamic wise, that's a better idea. So yeah, I'll link all this shit on my video. These, I have never had to use these, although I could have used them during the trip where this broke. Maybe a different video, I'll explain that. But everything looks cool. Wash the car. Whoa, whoa. Overall, that project took about 3 days to do. Take everything down, wash the van 1 day, repaint a 2nd day, and then install the 3rd day right now. These just take time, unfortunately. And now I have to go pay for my registration. It's about $350, I think, to register my car in California for a year. Let me know in the comments how much it costs in your state for your vehicle, because I almost guarantee you it's less. Take care.